So after visiting Vijay temple, it was time to head back to New Hampi. We had to return back the cycles, and the time given to us was 6:30 to hand over the cycles. So we were getting late, but we had to travel 10 kilometers. I halted here because I saw few peacocks right on top of the rocks, those big rocks. So I wanted to take some pictures.
अरे पीकॉक देखे थे कहाँ गए? It's been a long day. Cycling करते करते पूरा हम्पी घूमते रहे. Ups and downs. It's almost 6:15 now. It's time to return the cycle. But I have kind of lost my way. But I've managed to find it. There's a shortcut, very less traveled road. तो अभी यहीं से जा रहा हूँ. एक तरफ पैडी फील्ड है, फार एंड में बनाना ऑर्चिड है, इधर भी बनाना ऑर्चिड है. I wish कोई यहाँ पे मिल जाए तो टेस्ट द लोकल बनानास है. Oh yes, I can see some more peacocks. By the time I reach there, अगर मेरे को उन्होंने दर्शन दे दिए, it would be great. My battery is also running out. I just shut it down. क्या है बोला ऊपर बैठा जो?
ये ले गेस्ट.
नहीं वो ऊपर माउंटेन के ऊपर क्या बैठा हुआ है वो? मंकी?
मंकी.
मंकी?
मंकी.
अच्छा अच्छा. I'm actually taking the shortcut route. This is Kadirampur. Very nice orchards and farms here. This seems to be a private farm, Kadirampur. You can see the sunset. These are sugar canes. These are coconut trees. Small coconuts you can see. This is my friend come to welcome me. Tom and Jerry restaurant. Small tents out there. Sugar canes, paddy, banana orchards, the far coconut trees, bicycle. This is me. There are small canals for irrigation purpose. Oh, these are birds. These are small villages I am passing through. Such neat and clean, beautiful villages. I wish I get some small tea or coffee shop here. This is the local village temple. Just look at the temple art. Sri Murugan temple.